Namaste. This is Dr. Geetha Reddy from Amrutha Multispecialty Hospital and Amrutha Fertility and Women Wellness Center, Karimnagar. For more than 3 decades, we have been dedicated to provide top-tier services in obstetrics, gynecology, general surgery, laparoscopic surgery, infertility, IVF, hysteroscopic surgeries, urology, and orthopedics. And now I am glad to share the next chapters of our journey, and that reflects a significant expansion of our services, that reflects our commitment for excellence and the patient-centered care. So now we are proud to announce the state-of-art labor suites, the NICU, Neonatal Intensive Care Unit, and the PICU, Pediatric Intensive Care Unit, with one goal in the mind: the extra care for our mothers and their little ones. So we understand that woman needs serene and homely environment during her childbirth. And that's the reason our labor suites and the suite rooms are designed to provide advanced medical facilities. Apart from advanced medical facilities, they also provide that comfort, hospitality, and a sense of tranquility. And we believe that every woman deserves to feel like a star during this extraordinary journey. And every newborn arriving into this world, those moments need to be celebrated. And that's not all. We are also happy to introduce cosmetic gynecology services with cutting-edge treatments like cool stunning cryolipolysis, body contouring device, that's the Eldridge body contouring device, electromagnetic chair, Sabrina laser, and the ultra smooth laser hair removal. All these services cater to the often unspoken needs of the women, like stress incontinence, that is dribbling of urine with coughing and sneezing, lax vagina, where the couple complains of the displeasure in while having sex, and many more. Additionally, our full-fledged menopausal clinic offers a comprehensive care for all our women. That's the DEXA scan for detecting the density of the bone, digital colposcope for the early detection of cervical cancer, the transvaginal ultrasound, and Braster for early detection of breast cancer. We are committed to enhancing the quality of life of women, particularly in this stage of life. From our humble beginnings to reaching this remarkable milestone, we owe our support to all our incredible staff, our devoted doctors, and our cherished patients. Together, we are shaping a brighter and healthier future of all our females in our community. Thank you.